Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your modders will practically build themselves.
Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. Today I've got another Warhammer combat patrol that I'm going to take a look at. This is pretty intricate. It's pretty cool. If you're not into Warhammer, check it out anyway, because yeah, the detail on this is just amazing. So let's take a look at it. This is the combat patrol for the Adepta Sororitas. So the nuns with guns that I've already been building some of. This comes with the set that I already have, plus it comes with some others. So 27 miniatures total. This one's going to keep me busy for a while, just trying to get them built, but after that get them painted. But they are very well detailed. Here's the back of the box. Now, I'm unfamiliar with this faction, so if I say some things that don't kind of jive with the Warhammer lore, I'm sorry. Again, I'm a model builder and I'm a painter. I'm not a gamer, so I do apologize ahead of time. But it comes with a set of these Arco flagellants, not flatulence, flagellants, which are these dudes here. And then you've got what looks like a librarian, but I'm not sure what she is. Celestian Sacrosants or whatever. Again, not sure what they are, but they are cool looking, and they've got shields and these really cool mace looking weapons. And then there's the Battle Sisters squad that I just completed building. So, when I open this thing up, there's a good-sized manual. I mean, 27 figures, there better be a good-sized manual. Gives you some options on building a combat patrol or building them a little bit differently. Here's your color call-outs. Pretty cool. The different weapons and what they're called, what they... later on, it kind of goes over what their power is. But, again, that's really neat because you've got decisions to make. This is one figure that can carry all of these different options. So we start building this figure here, and then you've got to choose what you want to have her armed with. And there's all sorts of weaponry here. Pretty neat. I'm looking forward to getting this started. This is the Battle Sister squad. I just built them. We looked at those earlier in a different video. Excuse me, this goes over the construction of them. Lingering. All through here. Again, different options you can build them with. So this will be my second set of Battle Sisters. Meaning that if I built this one before, this time I'll build this one. So, and that's the end of them. And then off to these Sacrosanct Superior. They've got really cool maces, but they've also got, looks like a power spear as well. So they're going to be fun. That's probably where I'll start working. Different options on heads, of course. Different options on weapons. And this is how they're supposed to turn out. And I think they look amazing. So I'm looking forward to getting them done. And then there's the Arco flagellants. Okay. I'm just going to call them these smelly guys. How's that? And how to build them, what to do with them. And yeah, I'll get around to them someday. Okay. Then it comes with a bunch of bases. Some 25 millimeter and some 32 millimeter bases. Let's get into the plastic. And you're not going to be able to see the detail on these like I'd like you to. But let's try this. The detail on the power sword, the runes and whatnot that are engraved in there are just amazing. The engraving on this is, yeah, it's pretty cool. Wow. Again, here's another one. Got your crossbow in there. Pretty neat. Okay. Now these are on the top. These are the flagellants. Sorry. I'll never grow up. And they're interesting, to say the least. But they're, again, very, very detailed with what there is to them. 2 sprues of them. Okay. All sorts of stuff falling over here. Oh yeah, this is oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the I don't know what to call them now, but the ones with the shields and the maces. And again, very detailed. Lots of really cool engravings, but on the back side of these shields, they actually have a small bolter, like a mini pistol that they're carrying. That's really neat. And of course, you got a couple of options for the heads. We'll look at these. Ooh, some more. And just the detail of the fine plastic here. It's really awesome. And just to build a neat fantasy miniature, definitely these are something interesting worth doing. Candelabra here that goes on one of the backpacks. Yeah, really neat. Some of the Battle Sisters, and I reviewed these a few weeks ago. And some more of the Battle Sisters, the rest of them, that I reviewed a few weeks ago. And again, they're very detailed. They build up quite nicely. And then finally, there's some decals in here. So there you go. That's my latest acquisition. Model-wise, these are going to be, well, they're going to take a while to build, but there's a couple that I'm really looking forward to getting into just to get them built and get painting on them. There's a couple of different options you can go with on the paint. And I don't think it shows it here. Wait, one. But it does show it here on the Battle Sisters. There's some optional paint schemes there for some, I guess, sub-chapters. And I may experiment with that even, because it looks cool. So, but that's it. That's going to set you back, depending on the deal you get. It's going to be over $100, depending on the deal you get. I got a pretty good deal on mine, so I didn't pay near what Citadel's asking for them. But in looking at the plastic you've got, looking at the quality, I'd say, yeah, it's right there. So thanks for joining us today, folks. We'll see you again soon on The Stash.